For this middleweight fight. 4 years apart, with similar height and some differences in reach. And now to get us started, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC middleweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, making his UFC debut here tonight. He stands 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 175 pounds. Fighting out of New York, Assassin. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a jiu-jitsu fighter holding a professional record of 14 wins, 5 losses. He stands 6 feet 3 inches tall, weighing in at 184 pounds. Fighting out of Los Angeles, California, The Problem. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Herb Dean.
Herb Dean draws the assignment here.
Ready. Ready to fight?
All right, so here we go with round 1. This is his... Whoa! Oh! Oh! Back to the feet. Well, he's got the longer reach, and he certainly showed it there in landing that straight punch. Knee to the body. Well, one got through. That kick was blocked. Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the gentleman. Big kick lands.
Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active.
Oh, nice.
Oh, beautifully executed trip to get the takedown. Defensively, what are you trying to do to prevent that?
You got to be so aware defensively, because if you're not, the moment you're out of position, a guy like this will find those takedowns with those trips in all kinds of different scenarios.
Oh!
He's getting lit up right now, John.
He's got him hurt here. Oh, he lands a huge knee to the body. Oh! Missed with that jab attempt there.
Oh, nice right hand. You don't understand. After you take a head kick like this, that is such toughness to even be on your feet right now.
Oh, he's back up again. You gotta like that.
What a big-time takedown.
Straight right hand now, just misses.
Oh! He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Back to the feet.
Every time these guys come together, man, you just hear the punches and everything landing. Both very powerful, very explosive.
Just out of range with that kick attempt. Pretty good right hand. And both guys really throwing with authority. Man, he's timing his shots nicely. It's like Tom Brady out there. He hasn't missed the target.
I mean, you and...
Oh, man, look what that one body shot did.
That shows you the power, and the power in the placement. It was placed perfectly, and now he's got his opponent hurt.
And they separate. Oh! Beautiful diving strike lands.
Now he's on top of him looking for the finish.
Round 2 winding down.
Stop.
Let's shake it off. We need to do exactly what we did in the gym. I want you to keep your hands up, keep moving your head, keep moving your feet, cut those angles, and let's...
You ready to fight? Ready.
Well, he's got the reach advantage. You might as well use it. A lot of top pressure being applied here. Oh, so an interesting decision there as he decides to stand up and relinquish the dominant position. All right, so he lands his first takedown of the fight after many failed attempts, so he stayed committed. Now he has the fight in his wheelhouse. Let's see what he can do. Oh, he lands a straight punch there, DC. We'll see if he can follow it up now.
He has been throwing the strike over and over. Oh! He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad. Good right hand.
Oh! Oh, what a shot to the body. His opponent.
He's trying to keep a good poker face, but he's hurt very, very bad. Use first. Serve him up. Go get him. He's throwing everything.
Whoa! He's out!
Wow! What a performance!
I'm not sure if that's the way he drew it up, but a huge result for him here tonight as he gets the win by way of knockout, and that's about as good a one-strike finish as we've seen here in the UFC in recent memory. I'm not even sure the opponent saw it coming, so a big, big win for him here tonight. All right, let's take a look back at the replay. It ends up a knockout, but this was really a striking clinic from the moment they touched glove.
I mean, a competitive fight that one guy finally found the shot that ended the fight. But both of these warriors displayed a ton of heart. One guy got the finish, but neither guy should be disappointed in their performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean's called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 50 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout assassin.
All right, so there he is, the man of the moment, celebrating one of the bigger knockout victories of his